Hey, what's up? It's your girl Jo Alexandra here. How are you guys doing? I am here about to unbox some new product for my online store. But before I do that, I just want to kind of reflect on 2022 because it is that when I'm filming this, it is actually December 29th, 2022. So I'm about to get ready to gear up on the New Year's, and I'm super excited about the New Year's. I just have to reflect on like all the accomplishments for this year. I think one of the biggest accomplishments is buying a house with my fiance. I'm so excited about that. I'm actually in one of the rooms right now that's still being renovated. So I'm just filming this quick little video. But I think that's one of the biggest accomplishments. I also invested in my business a lot this year. I invested in 2 coaches. One was a boutique specific coach. So I did an accelerator program and I learned so much. I learned so much information and so much things, and I think 2022 was just about learning, and just 2023 is about putting them into practice and doing the work. I also invested in an inventory strategist, which she helped me basically ran the numbers on how much inventory I need to get to basically make the goals that I wanted to set for myself. And that really helped me on the perspective of knowing what to buy, knowing when to mark down, knowing when I don't have enough inventory and like dead inventory and things like that. And like I was grateful for that because I invested in that. I also recently, like I think it was 2 weeks ago, I recently invested in a coaching program, a how to be a coach program, or yeah, so basically teach me how to be a coach. One thing, I'm very knowledgeable in a lot of things, and I'm a manifesting generator, which means that I have a lot of passions. And one thing that I want to do next year, and one thing that is my gift, is basically educating people and helping people get to their goals and things like that. So I figured, okay, I guess I can be a coach, but I don't want to be like these coaches out here on the internet. I'm just gonna say that, like, I don't want to be like these coaches. I want to make sure that whatever I specialize in is something that I feel comfortable in specializing in, where I know it's going to be something long term. I'm not going to pivot in the middle, which is okay to pivot in the middle, but I just want to make sure that it's right fit for me. So more to that coming soon, but I am going to start posting on YouTube more in 2023. I've been posting shorts like of my business, but I want to start doing these long form videos, and then I can make them into shorts and things like that. But like 2023 was very, very good. It was perfect for me to reflect on certain things that I want to do. It was perfect for me to realize where I want to take my brand, and I'm very excited.